Hiya! How is everyone today? Are you all right? Having a good day? Yeah? Fabulous. Right, I am in the kitchen because I want to talk to you today all about Counter Clean. Yay! One of my favourite products. It is amazing. Now, I'm actually using, this is what I'm using in my kitchen currently. Excuse me. This is Fiesta Lime. Now, I'm afraid this actual fragrance is no longer available because this was part of our summer collection. But I'm using this because, as I say, this is the one in my kitchen currently. And also, I got this about 2 months ago, I think it was now. And it's still half full. And I promise I use it every day. Okay, so that just shows how concentrated these are. So I've come on now. I haven't actually cleaned my kitchen yet today, so the surface is there. So I've come on now. Sorry, I've angled it so you can see see the surface in the kitchen, not me. So let me give a quick squirt. So it doesn't need much because it is so concentrated. Ordinarily I'd use a cloth, but I'm just for today using a bit of kitchen towel. So just a quick squirt and a quick wipe over, and that's it. Perfectly clean and smells awesome. So these are absolutely fantastic because they are not full of harsh chemicals. Okay, there's no bleach, there's no chlorine. They're not full of harsh chemicals. They are natural ingredients. Citric acid is in here. And of course, amazing Scentsy fragrance. That just smells so good. I love Fiesta Lime. I am sorry that that one's not actually available, but it does smell amazing. My other favourite that I use in the kitchen is coconut lemongrass. That is awesome. And I use that with all the other cleaning products as well. So the amazing thing about the Scentsy Counter Clean is it leaves behind a protective barrier so that next time you clean, it makes it so much easier. It will wipe clean a lot quicker, a lot easier because of that protective barrier. Okay, now I have over here, got the catalogue, so that I can tell you the fragrances that it is available in. Okay, so you can get it in aloe water and cucumber, beautiful fresh one, coconut lemongrass, which as I said, is one of my favourites as well. A new fragrance for this catalogue, and I can't wait for this, Johnny Appleseed. Now the fragrance is like biting into a fresh apple. It is so, so good. So in the Counter Clean, that is going to be awesome. You can also get it in Lemon Squeeze, which was also a special earlier on in the year. Lemon Squeeze is amazing as well. And Lemon Verbena. So lots of lovely fresh fragrances that you can get our Counter Clean in. Let me bring that back. Okay, because the Counter Clean is £12 for the bottle of Counter Clean. But this will last forever. It just goes on and on and on. As I say, this is probably over half full still, and I've been using it for a couple of months, and as I say, I use it just about every day. Well, I do use it every day, more than once often. So, and I use it around the house as well. I don't just use it in the kitchen. Obviously it's bathroom cleaner in the bathroom, but I use it to polish all the sides in the living room. If you've got one of your warmers, now my warmers are on at the moment, but if you've got a warmer that's going a little bit grimy inside, sometimes they get a little bit dusty inside, even with taking the wax out, they get a bit grimy. Quick squirt of your Counter Clean into the top of the warmer, leave it a few seconds, wipe it round, sorted. I use it on the woodwork, I use it on my doors, things like that, all around anything that's glossy, that sort of woodwork, it works really well on as well. So there we go, that is our Counter Clean. Let us know if you'd like to get some. We have an order going in very, very soon, as always. So do just ping us a message if you'd like to add Counter Clean to our next order. Take care, everyone. Enjoy the rest of your day. I'll speak to you all soon. Bye.